Having the best electric car jack is an excellent investment for anyone who owns an electric car. Whether you just want a tool to help you out of an emergency or like to go off-roading and need something to lift your electric vehicle frequently, having the right electric car jack can save your time and money. There are many products available to choose the best electric jacks, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. MarchInn 5-ton electric car jack. For heavy-duty applications, MarchInn offers a 5-ton capacity jack with a lifting height range of 6.1 inches to 17.7 inches. Like many of the electric car jacks on our list, this one plugs into a standard 12V cigarette lighter adapter or can be directly connected to your car's battery for power and comes with a 13-foot-long power cord. It features a cross-groove saddle to prevent slipping, along with a rotating threaded rod so you can move the saddle closer to the lifting point. The package comes with several accessories in its included carrying case, such as a safety hammer, extra fuses, a pair of gloves, and a reflective safety triangle. Number 2. EAMBRITE 1-ton electric car jack. If you have a compact or subcompact vehicle, this electric car jack from EAMBRITE might fit your needs. It has a capacity of 2,200 pounds and a lift range of 6.1 inches to 17.3 inches. Included is an 11.4-foot cord that connects to a standard 12V cigarette light adapter for power. A built-in safety device will prevent this jack from falling, retaining its current height even if power is cut. Included with the jack is a 6-angle spanner, 2 extra fuses, and an instruction manual. This product doesn't have as many accessories as some of its competitors, but it's a simpler solution for those shopping on a budget. Number 3. E-HEELP electric car floor jack. Again with the inscrutable brand names. This electric hydraulic floor jack comes with an electric impact-style wrench and a handy inflator pump. The jack itself stretches to one of the highest top-outs in this list, raising a car nearly 18 inches. An LED flashlight is on board as well. The seller notes that, in the case of a power loss, the jack has a built-in self-locking power structure and a safety unloading knob to prevent the whole works from coming crashing to earth. As an aside, that electric impact-style wrench was definitely designed to fit within the confines of its carrying case, looking for all the world like a stunted dustbuster instead of an impact gun. Number 4. STANDTALL electric car floor jack. This is quite a convenient set that has everything you need for regular car maintenance and emergencies. Although mainly designed for sedans and SUVs, it's also suitable for other vehicle types. Due to the quality construction, all the pieces in the set are reliable and easy to use. The set features heavy-duty steel that can withstand quite some abuse and last for a long time. The jack has a 3-ton capacity, a high-speed wrench, and a tire inflator pump. There's even a built-in LED light for night use. Also, you'll be able to connect the jack to the 12V outlet or the car battery. Once plugged in, the jack reaches the limit of 16.5 inches within 2 minutes. Number 5. Powerbuilt 1-ton electric car jack. Last, but not least, is this electric car jack from Powerbuilt. It's a bit on the expensive side and only has a 1-ton lift capacity, but can also be used as a portable tire inflator. Lift height on this electric car jack is 5.3 inches to 14 inches. Compact and portable, there aren't a lot of accessories included with this electric car jack. Powerbuilt does throw in some inflation needles, so you can use the portable inflator on inflatable sporting goods or other household items. This jack uses your car's 12V cigarette lighter adapter for power. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.